Referencing emergency communications, a comms donut hole is a disaster area without communications. Say you and another Aries member have been deployed into said donut hole to provide comms for rescue workers. As you are leaving for the deployment site, you receive a cell phone call from your partner explaining he is coming, but he's going to be a little late. You arrive at the deployment site and begin setting up your station and are aghast to realize that you forgot to bring the correct antenna cable connector. If only you could text your partner's cell phone and tell him to go to your house and pick up a spare antenna connector. With Winlink, you can. So, what we want to show in this very short step-by-step instructional video is how you can copy two files from the Douglas County Area's webpage and paste them into your Winlink Global Templates folder on your computer. After doing so, you will be able to use a fill-in-the-blanks form to easily send text messages from Winlink. Okay, so we're going out to the Douglas County Area's website on the internet. And let's see, it's the top link. Top, no, go up there, go up. There you go. Click on that one. And we're being redirected to another site. Click on that link as well. Now we're here. Let's go on down to the very bottom of the page. And where it says SMS text message via Winlink, click on that. And let's see. This is a little bit about SMS texting, and there is a link down at the bottom. Let's go ahead and click on that. And it's downloaded a couple of files. Click on that. Let's open up. There they are. Now, if we go ahead and select both of those, there you go. And then right click on one of them. We'll copy both of them to the clipboard, which is what we want to do. Good job. Now let's go ahead and take a look at File Explorer and go into File Explorer, and we're going to click on Windows C. Take a look in there for our Winlink files. RMS Express folder. That's what we want. Go ahead and open that one up. And at the almost at the top, Global Folders. That's it. Go ahead and click on that one. And in Global Folders, we're looking for templates. There you go. Go ahead and open her up. And let's go ahead and right click and paste those files in that we copied to the clipboard. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so it's time to go out and get into Winlink and take a look and see what we did. Let's go up to Message. New Messages. And we want to select a template. So there's Global Templates. That's where we're headed. So go ahead and click on that plus sign and then click on that link right there. Go ahead. And there's the template to fill in. Very easy. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my telephone number. And then I'm going to select my carrier who handles my text messages. And in this case, it's a Verizon SMS. And we're going to formulate those two ideas together. Here we go. Click on that button. And that's the address. That's the address properly formatted. Go ahead and click on the subject and put in a subject. And something for a short message. And from that, we go ahead and submit it. And there it is. The address has been correctly formatted. We're in business. All we need to do now is post it. Okay, it's in our outbox, ready to go. We're going to use Telnet because propagation stinks right now. So go ahead and click on Open Session. And let her go. Boom, boom, boom. All right, complete. Good job. Now all we have to do is wait for it to get to your cell phone, or in this case, my cell phone.